வணக்கம் பெரியண்ணா. வணக்கம் பெரியண்ணா இளையராஜாஜி.
Honorable members, it is a privilege to honor Sri Ilayarajaji. The legendary composer whose music has shaped Indian cinema for over 5 decades, revered as Isaigani. The musical genius, his extraordinary mastery of blending classical traditions with contemporary sounds has given rise to timeless melodies that transcend generations and borders. His compositions are much beyond songs. These are deeply felt emotions that have touched millions. He has composed over 8,600 songs. Besides being the only composer in the world to have composed music for about 1,523 feature films, and in over 9 languages. Sri Ilayarajaji's unparalleled contributions to music have been accoladed and recognized with numerous honors, including 5 National Film Awards, 3 for the Best Music Direction, and 2 for Best Background Score. A gold medalist in classical guitar from Trinity College of Music, London, he has elevated Indian music to global recognition. In 2010, he was conferred the Padma Bhushan and followed by Padma Vibhushan in 2018. And in 2022, he was awarded an honorary doctorate by the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, in recognition of his remarkable legacy. Honorable members, I join you in proudly announcing that Sri Ilayarajaji is the first Indian to compose, record and perform live a full English classical symphony music titled Valiant this month in London with the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra on March 8, 2025. This symphony was composed by him in 34 days, which is a very unique achievement. And the whole nation and people beyond are proud of this. The achievement is yet another testament to his enduring brilliance and global appeal. Beyond his musical achievements, Sri Ilayarajaji's presence in this august house since July 2022 as a nominated member enriches our collective discourse On behalf of this House, I extend my heartfelt felicitations to him. May his legacy continue to inspire, motivate, and may his melodies captivate the world for generations to come. I will now revert to continuation of the debate. But these are occasions when the world recognizes sublimity and depth of Bharat. And in the same line, with equal recognition, I now invite Jiaji to take the floor.
Thank you, sir.
And what
Wish
what a pleasant coincidence. After Ilaiyaraaja's felicitation, we have Jiaji here contributing.
I'm just saying, Vanakkam Periyanna, Ilaiyaraaja ji. Vanakkam Periyanna. I've had the opportunity of spending a lot of time with him. In fact, we've had the opportunity to work with his son as one of the composers of one of our films. I'm very happy and thankful to the government for bringing such illustrious people from this industry into this house. They are truly the representatives of the upper house, house of intellectuals. It makes me extremely happy. I congratulate the government for doing so. आपको शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं। सर, सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छा है। वैसे तो बोलना चाहिए राम गोपाल जी को, चेयरमैन है हेल्थ कमेटी के, मगर मैंने हाईजैक कर लिया है। कितना अच्छा लगता है जब इस हाउस में खड़े होकर एमपीज अपने स्टेट की उन्नति के बारे में बात करते हैं और बढ़ाई करते हैं। दुर्भाग्यवश हम ये नहीं कर सकते सर। अगर डायलॉग बोल भी दूंगी सर तो अच्छा ही बोलूंगी, आप लोगों से तो अच्छा ही बोलूंगी। Sir, respecting lives of people who bring us to this position is a very, very important duty. And let's together give them that respect that they have given us. To speak for them, to speak on behalf of them, and to take care of them. And I am sure that any government that comes in power, their basic interest is to provide good health care. पिछली बार जब आप मंत्री थे, स्वास्थ्य मंत्री, आपके साथ वार्तालाप करने का मौका मिला और साथ काम करने का भी मौका मिला। But sir, सबने बहुत कुछ कह दिया। I just will bring in some emotional points. Technical data वगैरह ये सब बोल रहे हैं। दो तीन बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें कहूंगी। First, how can we claim progress in medical facilities when mothers bleed to death in transit and children starve? Our infant mortality rate is higher than countries like Sri Lanka and China. And we also rank highest in wasted and stunted children under 5 years. I will not elaborate on it. क्योंकि इस हाउस में जितने लोग बैठे हैं उम्मीद करती हूं कि मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर अबव इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल. They will understand what I'm trying to say. The next target or the next population that I would like to speak about are the elderly people, the senior citizens of this country who are grossly neglected, especially senior citizens who live alone and in urban cities. क्योंकि छोटे शहरों में परिवार इकट्ठा रहता है, पेरेंट्स की देखभाल हो जाती है, मगर बड़े शहरों में पेरेंट्स जब सीनियर सिटीजन हो जाते हैं, उनके बच्चे या तो बाहर चले जाते हैं काम करने के लिए या उस शहर से कहीं और चले जाते हैं उन्नति के लिए, अपने प्रगति के लिए, और इसमें कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. मगर पेरेंट्स who live alone in flats, in houses, are completely ignored by the society, by all of us. एक बिल्डिंग में अगर कोई एल्डरली कपल रहता हो, कितने लोग हम लोगों में से ऐसे हैं जो जाके पता करते हैं कि आप कैसे हैं, आपने कुछ खाया, आपको किसी चीज की जरूरत है. उस तरह की भावना अब हमारे यहाँ से खत्म होने लगी.
You can continue if you want for a minute.
May I?
हाँ.
Thank you.
अब तो
सर बात यह है कि ऐसे लोग जो
सेलिब्रिटीज का दिन है ना.
सॉरी सर,
सेलिब्रिटीज का दिन है. हाँ बोले.
अच्छा, थैंक यू. यू कंसिडर मी टू बी अ सेलिब्रिटी. आई थॉट आई वाज अ मे बी. सर, ये अर्बन एरियाज में जो सीनियर सिटीजन रहते हैं, they suffer from undetected dementia and Alzheimer's. There is need to conduct a census of such elderly people so that timely health care can be given and dignity upheld during the twilights of their lives. Next is organ donation. सर, हमारे देश में अवेयरनेस की कमी है. रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स की वजह से एंड स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज की वजह से मोर देन 112,000 इंडियंस आर वेटिंग फॉर ट्रांसप्लांट एंड अ न्यू नेम एडेड टू द नेशनल ट्रांसप्लांट वेटिंग लिस्ट एवरी 10 minutes. दिस रिक्वायर्स अर्जेंट अटेंशन. हम फिजिकल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करते हैं कि किसको क्या बीमारी, बड़ी बड़ी बीमारियों के बारे में बात करते हैं, बट एक छोटी सी एलिमेंट है जिसके बारे में हम लोग उतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. बात करते हैं, ध्यान नहीं देते, एंड दैट इज मेंटल एलिमेंट्स. इंडिया एलोकेट्स लेस देन 1% ऑफ इट्स टोटल हेल्थ बजट टू मेंटल हेल्थ. सुष्मिता, और आप खत्म कर लें तो मैं आगे बढ़ूं, बिकॉज यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग मी.
आप कंटिन्यू करें, 1 मिनट.
Everyone speaks, sir, less than 1% of its total health budget to mental health. While developed countries allocate 5 to 10%, nearly 15% of Indians suffer from mental health disorders, and there is only one psychiatrist per 100,000 people. It's a very sad situation, sir, and completely ignored.
थैंक यू जया जी, थैंक यू.
कंक्लूड नहीं करूं?
कंक्लूड करिए ना, मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ आपसे, कंक्लूड करिए.
अरे राधा मोहन जी,
अगर मैंने
कर रहे हैं तो बहुत बड़ी बात.
अगर सेलिब्रिटीज को बुलवाया तो आपको तो फिर 10 मिनट बुलवाना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा सर, मैं खुद अपने लाइफ में, मुझे याद है जब मेरे पति अस्पताल में बहुत बीमार थे, बंबई में नहीं, उनको ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत थी 24 hours. He was in the very ICCU. और I was personally supervising. There were no nurses available. सिलेंडर खत्म हो गया and he was gasping for breath. We got cylinders in the middle of the night and they were empty. Can you imagine the condition of the patient and the family? Anyway, because I think someone was kind, we managed to get So this is very important, and this comes under the category of medicines as well. You get spurious medicines. In fact, a simple thing like Vicks is full of wax and scent. It is very, very bad. These things need to be controlled and taken care of. I don't want to say too much. I would like to conclude by saying that the government should consider bringing a unified healthcare law which will ease various aspects of healthcare services for Indian citizens. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jaya ji. Thank you, Jaya ji.